Let's see how you can get AI insight from ChatGPT directly into your Matomo report. The first thing you need to do is to install the ChatGPT plugin from the marketplace. Then go to System, General Settings, and ChatGPT to configure the plugin. The only thing you need to do is to add your own API key provided from OpenAI website. Then you can change between multiple models provided in the model preset collection. If you want, you can use your own custom model. And then you can update and change the base prompt for the chat and the base prompt from AI Insights. Let's see how it works. Once the plugin is installed, you got the ChatGPT menu in the navbar. Then you can ask anything about Matomo for ChatGPT, like how to create insight segments. It will explain how to create segments, but you won't do that. Just explain how to do segments and how you can create things. In this part of the plugin, you can't access real data. But if you go to dashboard and then your personal reports, just like software report, for example, you can now have at the top right of each report a ChatGPT icon. You click on it, then it will trigger an overlay where you can start reading at ChatGPT Insight based on the reports data. And once it's done, if you scroll at the very bottom, you can continue chatting with him using the chat box just below. So let's see. Summarize data into 2 sentences. Now, get just 2 sentences with all the data. This plugin allows you to get all information for every plugin of Matomo, including the premium plugin, such as the media, forms, heat maps, custom reports, and AI assistants. It works for table reports, pie charts, bar charts, and row evolution. Feel free to use it.